सत श्री अकाल. Today's वाक महला पंजवा. जो पाथर को कहते देव, ताकि बिरथा होवे सेव. Those who worship and call a stone their God, their worship is useless. ताकि बिरथा, their worship, होवे सेव, it is worthless and useless. Our Lord, the Guru, is living. He is a living Guru. You can feel His energy, His love in all things around you. O कंडे कंडे विच वसदा, ओ डाली डाली विच वसदा, ओ रोम रोम विच वसदा, ओ सां सां विच वसदा. Vaheguru, the true Lord, is living and present everywhere. जो पाथर की पाई पाए, those who worship and fall at the feet of a stone, तिसकी घाल अंजाई जाए. Your effort is without any anjam. It is fruitless because you are worshipping something out of just an empty action. It goes down to what the previous walk one day was, ki Guru bina bhakti na hoi. This is going back to that same thought that you are worshipping and talking to a God, to a stone, but that stone cannot talk back to you. Keep in mind, Thakur Hamra Sad Bolanta, the Lord, the creator of mankind, of the universe, He is our mother and father. Can He be a mute spectator? He forever talks. He establishes that connect with you and He communicates with you, making you a better person. Sarab jiya ko prabdhan deta. That Lord is the believer and the keeper of life. He infuses life in everything around us. He is living. Rahao. Antar diyu na jane and. Put that Lord inside your heart. And once you do that, na jane and, you cannot know the feeling. There is no end to what He can do for you, because His magic, His power within you is infinite, and together you can accomplish everything. Brahm ka mohiya pave fand. When you are deluded by doubt, when you get attached to being human and the moh maya, then your worship to Him is not genuine, and you get attached in that fanda of just doing those rituals. Na pathar bole, na kichu de. The stone cannot talk, nor can it give anything to you. Fokat karam nehfal he save. The karam, the effort that you're doing, is useless and fruitless. Nehfal he save. Tusi seva kar rahe ho, but that seva is fruitless. Je mirtak ko chandan chadave. If on a corpse you anoint it with sandalwood, uste kahe kavan fal pave. What is the benefit of that task? Will the corpse benefit from sandalwood? Will you benefit from that? Je mirtak ko bista mah rulaye. If on a corpse you put manure, ta mirtak ka kiya ghat jaye. Will anything bad happen to a corpse? What these two lines tell you is, तुसी पत्थर नू अच्छे चीज दो या गलत. Whether you anoint it with pure and with something that is expensive, or you insult it and put on it manure or you shout at it, nothing can happen to it. Your prayer or your anger is falling on something that is non-existential. Your effort of either talking and communicating to God is useless. कहत कबीर हो कहूँ पुकार. Kabir Das is saying, and he's saying this loudly and proclaiming it so that the entire world can hear. Samajh, please understand, dekh, watch, sakat gawar, hey you ignorant fool, duje bhai bahut gar gale. In this duality, in the effort of following these rituals, you have lost homes, yourself, and relationships. You cannot spend thousands and thousands of dollars and rupees on doing a ritual when you don't have it. God does not say that. You cannot do a feast and feed 1,000 people when you yourself don't have food to eat. God does not say that. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਗਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. You are spoiling your life and those around you. God does not ask that. That is where duality comes, where you are doing it for people, not for God and not for you. राम भगत है सदा सुखाले. जो सच्ची भगत होते हैं, those who are true worshippers and followers, they have God in their heart and they forever and ever are happy. That is what God does to you. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.